Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel, the Digital Institute of Computing Technology. In this presentation we will have discussion on the topic Overview of Data Types in Python Programming Language. Below is the classification of Python data types. Numeric types. Integers. Numbers without any decimal point. Example. 51. -101. 1000, etc. Floating point numbers with a decimal point. Example, 13.14. -0.001. 12.0, etc. Boolean type. Represents the two truth values true and false, used in logical operations and control flow in Python. Sequence types. String type. Sequence of characters enclosed within single quotes or double quotes. Example, hello, Python, etc. Lists. Ordered collection of items that can be of different data types. Example, 1, 2, 3, apple, banana, cherry, etc. Tuples. Similar to lists but immutable once created. Immutable means the element values cannot be modified. Mapping type. Dictionaries. Collection of key-value pairs enclosed within curly braces. Example. Name. Alice. Age. 30, etc. Set type. Sets are unordered collection of unique elements. Example. 1, 2, 3. Apple. Banana. Cherry, etc. We can find the data type of a particular variable using built-in type function. In the below example, s is a variable assigned a value hello. Now if you print the type of s, the output is str. The data type of s. We can change the data type of a variable. This feature is called dynamic typing. A simple expression, num assigned int of s, will convert string s to integer. Now let's consider the list lst, which has many duplicate items. A simple expression, s assigned set of lst, will convert list lst to set, and removes duplicates as set must have unique elements. Now the next expression, lst assigned list of s, will convert set s back to list. If you display lst, there will be no more duplicates. The output is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Does not have any duplicates. This is one of the method to remove duplicate items from a list. So, this completes the overview of data types in Python. We will discuss them in detail in the coming slides. Hope you enjoyed and liked the presentation. Remain connected with us by subscribing to this channel for latest updates on this channel. Thank you.